He shall call upon me, and I will answer him. Psalms 91:15. All nature shows a divine relatedness. I have but to contemplate the blade of grass, the growing leaf, or the solar system to see that He who has created me has shaped and arranged all things to prosper and to exist in harmony. The Spirit knows only harmony, and a similar harmony now exists in my world. My thinking, in accord with the good of God and acted upon by His creative activity, can displace nothing that is good and cannot subtract from the good of anyone. If there seems to be a difference of opinion or a conflict of human will, I turn to the divine wisdom. Here I find the answer that awaits me. It becomes clear to me how I may further the good of others and be free to accept my own good. I give up all impatience. I am in accord with divine activity and experience a perfect state of progress that cannot interfere with anyone else. I lay aside selfishness and fear. I know that the loving and bestowing Spirit gives of itself to me and to all others. There is no scarcity of good. My blessings are abundant, and by sharing them, I add unto myself. With serenity, joy, and love, I now understand the true meaning of happiness. I see that no pain or sacrifice is entailed. There is only God's wisdom bringing peace to all. I am happy, and my world is made glad.